So today we will do the numerical computation, numerical computation of correlation coefficient. So for this we have given the two variables x and y, and the data for the x is given, for y is the values of x are given and values of y are given. So what is the question? The question is calculate the correlation coefficient for the following data. Right? In the following data, या ना जो डाटा है वो किस फॉर्म में दिया गया है? हाइट्स में, इन इंचेस, राइट? और फादर्स डाटा किससे रिलेटेड है? हाइट से. किसके? फादर और सन के. फादर द वेरिएबल डिनोट्स x and their sons the variable denotes y, because we are trying to find out the correlation between them. So what is the value of x? We have 65, 66, 67, then again 67, then 68, 69, then 70, then 72. Then y we will have 67, 68, 65, 68, 72, 72, 69 and 71. So we have given this data. So according to this data, we have to find the correlation coefficient. Now the question is, what is the formula of covariance between x and y, or we can say that rxy. So rxy, this is covariance between xy upon sigma x. Now you will not write here expectation of x and expectation of y, because we don't have given the PDF here, right? So that you can calculate expectation of an expectation of. We just have given the values of the variables, 65 to 72, whatever values we have. So it means we have to calculate. For what is the formula? This is 1 by n sigma xy, because number of values, number of terms kitni hai isme? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sigma xy minus, this is x bar, this is y bar, upon 1 by n summation of x square minus x bar whole square, right? Minus into 1 by n summation of y square minus y bar whole square. So this is the formula to calculate correlation coefficient between two variables. So फॉर्मूले के बाद इट मींस आपको x और y का प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, फिर उसका सम चाहिए. x का मीन, y का मीन, the square sum of squares of all the variable values of the variables and sum of the squares of all the values of the variable. So ये सारी के सारी चीजें हम calculate करेंगे. Now we will do it by two methods. So one is the direct method, other is by shortcut or step deviation method. So now I'm coming to the solution by shortcut method. Sorry, by direct method. डायरेक्ट में आपने वेरिएबल्स जो वैल्यूज है उनको डेविएट नहीं करना, उनको कम नहीं करना, जो एज इट इज पड़ी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे आंसर. So first of all, you will make a table. You have to make a big table here to calculate all the values. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. क्या क्या चाहिए? x और y पड़े हैं, x square, y square and the product x and y. So make a table here, x. This is for y, right? This is for x square. This is for y square. This is for xy, right? And the last is for sum, total. This is for total. Here you will write total, right? So here you will have the variables. The one is How many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values. So I will put the values as such here. So first is x, then the variable is y, then the x square, then y square, then we will have x into y. So put all the values. Beta, you will put all the values. I am just writing the first and the last value. So in between, you will put all the values, right? First value is 67 and the last value I have given 71. So when you will do the square of 65. 65 square is 4225, right? 68 square is 434. So you will do all the squares and ultimately I'm writing the last one 5814, right? Similarly, you will do the squares of 4489. अब देखिए कैलकुलेशन कितनी बड़ी हो रही है, right? कितना बड़ी कैलकुलेशन आपकी होगी इसमें, क्योंकि यू आर यूजिंग द डायरेक्ट मेथड एंड आफ्टर मल्टी, और इतना इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना इट्स नॉट एन इजी जॉब. अगर आपको मेंटली करना है तो थोड़ा सा इट विल टेक एनफ टाइम. देखो कैलकुलेटर से जब करेंगे तो फिर तो बिल्कुल आपका ब्रेन काम ही नहीं ना करेगा. वो तो जस्ट यू आर जस्ट टाइपिंग एंड यू आर गेटिंग द आंसर. सो ब्रेन को इसमें वर्क करवाना, इट मींस यू हैव टू डू द कैलकुलेशंस बाय योरसेल्फ. Right? Then I'm writing the sum here. This is summation of x. This is summation of y. This is summation of x square. And this is summation of y square. This is summation of xy. And when this comes out to be 37028, then it is 38132. Then it comes out to be 37560. Right? So rest of the calculation we will do after the table. So यहाँ आपने heading देना है calculation of correlation coefficient, right? So whatever the values that we have generated, now we will put all the values. अब x bar सबसे पहले आपने टेबल के नीचे निकालना है, right? x bar का formula, that is summation of x by n. So I'm just writing the answer here, that is 544 divided by 8. That comes out to be 68. Then y bar is summation y upon n. This is equal to 552 divided by 8 is equal to 69, right? So we have calculated all the values, x bar, y bar, whatever we have required. So now put all the values in rxy. Now rxy, this is equal to, so you will again put the formula. Number of observations are 1 by 8. What is the value of summation xy? ये आपके सामने पड़ी है 37560. So you will put here 37560 minus mean of x and mean of y. देखो, you have to multiply 68 into 69. If you have to calculate without calculator, then what you will do? Then you will think it's a very difficult task, right? So that's why instead of using this direct method, we will use the shortcut method and use the property number 2 of correlation coefficient. So but after putting all the values, then rest of the values you will put, that is 37028 divided by 8 minus 68 square. This is the variance of x. And again अब देखो square root में आ रहा है 38132 divided by 8 minus 69 square. So after solving all these values, what the value of correlation coefficient you will get? 0.603, and it is less than 1. ये आपने चेक करना है. आपकी वैल्यू greater than 1 आ जाए, it means there is something wrong in the calculation. So this is the direct method. So it's quite laborious method. So we will not use this method. You can do by any method of your choice. Right now we will do it by step deviation method. Now second is by shortcut method. And apply shortcut method का मतलब क्या है? You know that the correlation coefficient is independent of change of origin and scale. पहले तो हम एक कॉमन वैल्यू देखेंगे जो सब में से माइनस होती है. अगर उसमें से कॉमन मिलता है देन वी विल डिवाइड. ठीक है जी. तो हम दो चीजें अगर हमें मिलती हैं a और h, देन वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड इट. सो अगेन यू विल मेक अ टेबल. चलिए, so let's start. It's not, you will just start, beta ji. There is something problem. Just a minute. It's not working properly now. चलिए, so आप variables लिखिए. The one is x, the other is y. You will write the values x and y. Right? So you are doing with this with direct method. Oh, shortcut method, sorry. We are doing the calculation with shortcut method. So the one variable what you will have here, you will put all the values x, y. So I'm just writing the variables. Here is x, then you will have y. अब deviations लेनी है, ठीक है. Deviations के लिए एक कॉलम u के लिए, एक कॉलम y के लिए, फिर उसके u स्क्वायर के लिए, फिर y स्क्वायर के लिए, फिर प्रोडक्ट के लिए. ठीक है जी. अब देखिए, ये आपने लिया x, here you have y, then u. आपने एक कॉमन वैल्यू देख ली, सारी कॉमन वैल्यूज देख ली, बीच में से कौन सी ऐसी वाली, कोई भी वैल्यू हमने उठा ली. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम एवरेज उठा लेते हैं, तो हमने 68 जो है सारी वैल्यूज में से माइनस कर दिया. देन y में से भी आप एक कोई वैल्यू चूज कर लेंगे, दैट इज v. दिस इज v इज इक्वल टू u minus 69. then you will find out u square, then v square, then u into v, because your variables xy has now been changed into the variables u and v. Now you will put all the values from 65 till 72. Then you will put all the values here 67 till 71. So after taking the deviations, देखो values कितनी छोटी हो गई, -3, -2, -1, then again -1, then 0, then 1, 2, and last value is 4. Similarly, -2, -1, -4, -1, then 3, and 0 and 2. So ये सारी values you will put all the values of x and y. Now how it is easy to square a single digit, ठीक है जी. So 9, 4, 1, 1, 0, then 1, then 1, then 4, then 16. Then here is 4, 1, 16, then 1, then 3 3s are 9, then 3 3s are 9, then 0, then we will have 4. Then product u into v, 3 2s are 6, then again is 2, then 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, then 0, then 3, then 0, and then 4 2s are 8. How calculation देखो कितनी सिंपल बन गई, राइट. अब क्या निकालना है आपको, एक तो u बार निकालना है, दैट इज 1 by n into sigma of u. So आप इसको बेटा sum up करिए. When you will take the sums, तो आप solve करिए, you will have summation u. What is summation of v? That is equal to 0. So u is 0 and v is also equal to, v क्या आ जाएगा, 0. So how simple, covariance between u and v. You are only left with 1 by n summation of u, और u bar v bar तो 0 हो गया आपका. So 1 by n into y. This is 8 and summation of uv. So what is summation of u into v? So that comes out to be 24. That comes out to be 24. So this is 24. That is 8 is that 24. Now the rest is left sigma u square. इसमें से फिर बेटा आपका जो u bar वाला portion है वो 0 हो जाएगा. I'm just writing the summation of u square. So what is summation of u square? First of all, you will calculate this. Summation of u square is equal to 36 and summation of v square is equal to 44. So just put the values here. So what you will get, 1 by 8 into 36, that is answer is 4.5, and sigma y square is equal to same formula, 1 by 8 into 44, that comes out to be 5.5. So ultimately you will put all the values in RUV. So RUV is covariance between U and V divided by sigma U, sigma V. So when you will put all the values here, so what you will get 0.6 is same answer because of the property that correlation coefficient is independent of change of origin. So either you may use direct method. If you are very good in calculation, very fast in calculation, you can use direct method. Otherwise, this is the beautiful formula, beautiful way to calculate correlation coefficient. I hope today's lecture is clear to all.